Hey there, I'm Chris Ponick, Certified Public Accountant, Certified Coach, and the host of the Mastering Your Small Business Finances podcast. And I want to welcome you to this new series that I'm doing on this podcast. My intention is to drop one of these additional episodes every Monday while I continue to provide you with the regular Mastering Your Small Business Finances podcast episodes, which will continue to help you take control of and understand your business finances with topics that ultimately impact your bottom line. I have many business owners, accountants, and other high-stress professionals who listen to this podcast, and I want to get more help out there for individuals like you when it comes to mastering your mindset. I'll be taking a few moments each week to touch on topics that many high-stress professionals are dealing with and provide solutions to help you increase your overall well-being. Because I know your time is valuable, just like the Mastering Your Small Business Finances podcast, my goal is to keep these episodes short and straight to the point, but full of useful information to help you succeed in not only your professional life, but your personal life as well. Have you ever had one of those weeks where it feels like everything is happening to you? It could be clients emailing you nonstop, deadlines stacking up, and one unexpected situation after another, leaving you feeling like you don't have any control in your life. If you're anything like most of the accountants and high-stress professionals that I work with, you crave structure. You like knowing what's coming next. You thrive when you have a plan, and let's be honest, you'd probably rather be the one in control of everything. But there are so many things in life that you can't control. And when we keep trying to manage what's out of our hands, we end up exhausted, frustrated, and mentally drained, all while losing the focus on the things that actually are within our control. So today we're going to talk about something that changes everything when you truly understand it. It's the secret to feeling grounded when you feel like life is completely out of control or you're facing uncertain times. I'll walk you through what it looks like to experience this transformation so that you can start feeling that sense of calm and confidence in your own life too. Let's start with why we crave to be in control, because the desire for control isn't a bad thing. It's actually deeply part of our human nature. Our brains are wired to seek certainty. We like predictability because it helps us feel safe. But what happens when life doesn't cooperate with us? When the numbers don't balance, the staff calls out sick, your computer crashes right before a client meeting, or your teenager suddenly needs you right in the middle of the tax season. If you're like most of my clients, your brain immediately starts thinking thoughts like, "This shouldn't be happening. I can't believe this. Why can't people just do what they're supposed to do?" Or, "I don't have time for all of this." Those thoughts feel so justified in the moment, but notice what they actually create. More stress, anxiety, irritation, and feelings of hopelessness. It's not the situation that's stealing your sense of control, it's your thoughts about it. And that's exactly where you can start making changes, even starting today. Not in controlling the circumstance, but in controlling how you respond to it. If this topic resonates with you, don't wait. The rest of this episode is waiting for you inside my free private podcast, Mastering Your Mindset Moments. It's created specifically for business owners, accountants, and high-stress professionals just like you. People who are done feeling overwhelmed, burnt out, or stuck in survival mode, and are ready to live a happier, healthier, and more fulfilling life. When your schedule is packed and the pressure is high, it's easy to lose sight of why you're working so hard. Inside this private podcast, I share quick, powerful mindset and productivity tools that you can apply right away, even during your busiest seasons, to reduce stress, reclaim your time, and enjoy the life that you've worked so hard to achieve. It's free to join, and you'll get instant access when you go to financialadventure.com www.audit.com/private. Don't put this off. This podcast is your shortcut to meaningful results in just a few minutes a week. Your next step towards feeling more in control, less overwhelmed, and finally enjoying a more balanced lifestyle again is only one episode away. I'll post links to this and other valuable resources for business owners, accountants, and other high-stress professionals where you're listening to this podcast.